Hey everyone, welcome to another video from Between CAD Classes. This time I am participating in TooTallToby's Spring Tournament Qualifier. If you're not familiar with TooTallToby, he challenges you to create 3 parts as fast as you can, and then he also has some live competitions that I was lucky enough to participate in last year as well. I'm modeling these 3 parts as quick as I can to qualify for his spring challenge. I encourage you to check his stuff out at TooTallToby.com and also give it a try yourself. A couple of things I want to point out as you watch this video. First of all, you will barely see me click anything on the ribbon. I think I used the new command a couple of times, but otherwise I've created keyboard shortcuts for everything that I do because I think that's a lot faster. If you would like to know how to create keyboard shortcuts, stay tuned to the end of the video where I got a link to another video that will show you how to do that. In the challenge, the way that we show that we created the model properly is by showing the mass properties. You can do this by opening up the Eye Properties dialog box, but I decided to set up my templates in order to display the mass properties in the upper left corner of the screen. If you would like to learn how to do that yourself in Autodesk Inventor, once again, stay tuned to the end of the video, and I've got a link to another video that will show you how to do that. Let's now take a look at my submission. As I create the first part, I've got my templates set up to already show my datums, and I start by creating some rectangular shapes and then drawing a line and adding the angular dimension to it. Next, I need to place a circle, so I create a line to locate where the center of that's going to be, then create 2 concentric circles right at that endpoint, and then draw a tangent line and add an angle here. Then I do a series of extrusions with the same sketch. Notice that I set it to midplane and I use the green plus sign. This lets me stay in the extrude command and keep using the same sketch. So there I created another one, and then one more that's actually a cut. Then I created a slotted feature up on top, dimensioned it, and then cut through all. Then I just needed to fillet the 2 corners here, again using my F keyboard shortcut. And then finally I mirrored the entire part about this plane, and when I save you can see the mass properties update there. Next, on the second part, I sketched down from the top and created a quick little extrusion. One thing I found is sometimes I'm doing things so fast that Inventor isn't keeping up with me. So while I think I could go faster, I'm not sure if Inventor would honestly let me go any faster. But here you can see I started with a slot shape and I'm adding in some dimensions here to locate this feature, adding in a hole, and then extruding it symmetrically, and sketching on the edge here, and then projecting geometry with once again another keyboard shortcut, and then creating a slotted feature, once again with a keyboard shortcut, and then extruding this through all. Then I'll add in my fillets. And then I'm going to add in a hole. I found the quickest way for me to do this was to sketch and then finish the sketch, and that projects the origin, and then I could place a hole right at that point. Once again, I save and we can see the mass properties update. Then finally the third part, I start with an extrusion, and then this has a slotted cutout feature with some draft angles on each side. And this is definitely where I spent most of the time on this particular part. I wish I could find some easy way to copy this cut feature to the other side. It was difficult to do so since they have different rectangular shapes, so I just simply had to create the shape again. Then I mirrored these cutouts across the part. Once again, you can see I set my template up to show those planes so that I can more easily grab them. I created an offset sketch plane and added these features up on top, once again using the green plus sign to reuse the same sketch. Cut through all and save, and then I can see my mass properties there. So it looks like I'm just a hair under 3 minutes and 7 seconds. I really wanted to try to shoot for 3 minutes, but again, there were some times where I was typing and inputting and then waiting for Inventor to catch up to me. Whether that's an application issue or a hardware issue, I'm not sure, but while I think I could probably shave a few seconds off, I'm pretty happy with my time and think this will help me qualify. So once again, check out TooTallToby.com, and if you want to see how to create some keyboard shortcuts or to show your mass properties, click on the video links here at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.